Big airports can feel overwhelming the first time you visit. There are screens everywhere, long corridors, trains inside terminals, and thousands of people moving in different directions. But finding your gate is actually a simple process once you know how it works. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you find your gate without stress. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. So, what's the biggest airport you've ever been to? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's get started. So, how do you find your gate at a big airport? Step 1. Go through security first. Before anything else, you need to pass security. This is where you show your boarding pass and passport, remove liquids and electronics, and go through the scanner. Your gate is only accessible after this point, so don't worry about finding it before security. Step 2. Check your boarding pass. After security, take a look at your boarding pass. Your gate number is usually printed clearly, like gate A12 or B45. But, just so you know, sometimes it can change, so don't fully rely on an old screenshot or email. Step 3. Find the big departure screens. Right after security, you'll see these large screens showing all flights. Find your flight number or destination on the list. This is super important because gates can change at the last minute. If your gate number matches your boarding pass, great. If it's different, always trust the screens over your ticket. Step 4. Understand the airport layout. Big airports are usually divided into zones like A, B, C, D, or terminals like Terminal 1, 2, or 3. These are often separated by long walking distances or even trains. Your gate letter tells you which area to go to. For example, A gates are one section of the airport, B gates are another section, and C gates can be further away, sometimes even requiring transport. Step 5. Follow the signs. Airports are designed to guide you, so just look for signs that say gates, departures, or maybe your specific letter or terminal. Once you're heading in the right direction, you'll usually spot smaller signs with gate numbers. Don't rush. Just keep following the signs, step by step. Step 6. Use airport trains or shuttles if needed. In very large airports, you may need to take a train or shuttle between terminals or gate areas. This is totally normal. Signs will clearly show when you need to board one. If you're unsure, just follow the crowd going in the same direction as your gate letter. Step 7. Double-check along the way. As you walk, you'll see more screens and signs repeating your gate number. This helps confirm you're going the right way. If you feel unsure, stop and check a screen. Don't guess. Step 8. Arrive early at your gate. Once you find it, don't leave the area for too long. Big airports sometimes require 10 to 20 minutes just to walk back, so stay close and listen for boarding announcements. Finding your gate in a big airport might feel confusing at first, but it's really just a simple system. Check your boarding pass, follow the screens, and follow the signs. Once you've done it once or twice, it becomes very easy and even routine. So, what's the biggest airport you've ever been to? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.